Make use of your smartphone or laptop. Find a quiet area where you can start typing, save your work, and then submit. Out from work, you will earn $30 to $75 per day. The good thing is, you can do it around the globe. Always keep in mind, if you want to make money like this, all you need to do is follow the steps correctly. And don't skip any parts of this video in order to get all the necessary pieces of information. And also, for you not to confuse on any steps, you will use this strategy for 100% free. Later in this video, I will share a bonus platform wherein you can make double or even triple your earnings. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. I will teach you a step-by-step process in order for you to earn money online. First, you need to go on your mobile phone, laptop, or computer. If you're going to choose your phone, you don't need to worry because this strategy will work on both Android and iOS. In this video, I will be using my laptop. The first thing that you will do to replicate this strategy is go to google.com and enter typingtest.com. We will be using this platform for you to be trained about the job that I will introduce later. After landing on this website, the first thing that you will do is go to the left portion of the site and click the typing test. As you can see, check your typing skills in a minute. This drop-down arrow right here will allow you to choose how long your typing test is to be. You can choose from a minute to 10 minutes. Below that, you can choose what typing test you want to take. You can choose to form easy, medium, hard, and so on. I want you to choose a minute right here and easy text right over here, and click on Start Test right here. After clicking on the Start Test, you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, you will now start typing text. You will simply encode the text right here to here. You will do as fast as you can. And be sure that you will not commit any mistakes. You only have a single minute to execute this one. To monitor your time, you can simply see that in this part of the page, you will also notice that it has two modes, the normal mode and the pro mode. Since I'm introducing this website, in order for you to be familiar with what you're going to do on the subsequent pages, just go with normal mode. As soon as you start typing, the time will start running. After doing a little bit of training right here, the next thing you will do is go to typing courses right here. And as you can see, there are a lot of typing lessons. I would like to suggest that you finish all these lessons before proceeding to the next website wherein you can earn a lot of money. Maybe you will be confused at this point why I introduce you to this website considering this site will not pay us in doing typing. I would like you to be familiar with the keyboard layout to type fast and earn fast. Also, I want you to be familiar with the nature of the job. The method of making money from the site that I will introduce to you in a bit is typing. Yeah, you heard that right. You will be earning money by just doing a typing job. Again, all of this lesson is completely free. I would humbly suggest that you take this lesson before proceeding to the actual money-making website. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. After doing all the typing lessons, you need to go to the official money-making website. One of the websites that I will be introducing to you is rev.com. This platform will allow you to earn money in 3 simple ways. The first one is transcription. For those who didn't know what transcription is, this is a process of converting speech or audio into a written text. This job will allow you to earn $1.25 in every single minute of video. If you've done all the lessons I introduced to you earlier, you will do the job quickly. As I said earlier, the faster you type, the faster you have money. Second, you can also earn in captions. The third and final one is foreign subtitles, which will pay you around $3 to $7 per minute. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see that over 170,000 customers across all industries trust this platform. Below that, you will see the partner websites of this platform. We have Viacom, CBS, PBS, and TCM. These all websites right here are all legit and well known in the industry for the past years. For you to know all the necessary information, you must read all of this. If done already, just scroll down to the bottom and look for Become a Freelancer right here. and have a click on that. Doing so will take you to this page. As you can see, you can create a flexible work schedule. Our freelancing jobs allow you to work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. Below that, choose from hundreds of jobs. Enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. Our vast network of customers means a steady stream of freelancing job to choose from. The last one is to get paid weekly. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Rev is on time and dependable. It's totally insane. You will be paid weekly and to the most trusted platform, which is PayPal. To be able to start your journey right here, you will simply sign in. On the left side of the website, you will see this one. Become a freelancer with Rev. Just enter your first name, last name, and email. And for the position, just simply click this drop-down icon right here and choose either transcriptionist or captioner. And then select the country where you belong and click on next right here. Maybe you will think that $1.25 is not a decent amount of money. But if we do a calculation, considering that most of the videos that you're going to transcribe are 3 minutes at least and 5 minutes at most, just take a look at this calculator right here. 1.25 multiplied by 4 minutes is equal to $5. Now, if you can transcribe 5 videos in a day, 5 multiplied by 5 equals $25. See? You will be earning that amount by just doing a 20-minute video transcript. How much more if you work and type faster? Maybe you will earn hundreds of dollars. Congratulations! Because you made it in this part of the video, I will be showing you a bonus website wherein you can earn much more money. Just go to Google and search on transcribeme.com. If you scroll down to this page, you will see data annotation, transcription, translation, and AI datasets. If you scroll down more, you will see further pieces of information regarding their offers. You can read all of this if you want to. All you can do on this page is maneuver your mouse to the upper portion of the page and click on Jobs. And on this page, you click on Get Started. On this portion, you will be creating your brand new account. To do that, just simply enter all the information needed. I won't guide you in that process because it differs from person to person. The typing test lesson that I want you to finish plays a vital role in this manner because in both rev.com and transcribeme.com, you will be submitting your typing test result. And each website has its own standard regarding your grades in typing test. Always put in mind before proceeding to the money-making website, you must first do the typing test and do a little practice if it's needed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.